Dear students, today we will see what is mean by coterminal angles. For that, you will first draw the plane coordinate system. Draw here x-axis, y-axis, and this is origin. Now, we will draw some angles. Consider, suppose this is angle of 30 degree. Angle AOB. Rotating from A to B. Now, consider the next angle. Now, what is this measure? This is one complete rotation but less than 30 degree, that is 330 degree. And rotation is in clockwise direction, therefore minus 330 degree. Now, see for the angle of 30 degree, initial arm is OA and terminal arm is OB. And for the angle of minus 330 degree, see here also initial arm is OA and terminal arm is OB. Means this is the similarity between these two angles, that both the angles have initial and terminal arms same. And both the angles are directed angles. Then what will be the definition of coterminal angles? See the definition of coterminal angles. Directed angles of different amount of rotation having the same position of initial and terminal rays are called coterminal angles. Means if directed angles have different rotation, measure may be different, but their initial and terminal arm should be same. See for this angle of 30 degree, initial arm is OA, terminal arm is OB. And for the angle of minus 330 degree, initial arm is also OA and terminal arm is OB. Okay, then consider the next angle. Consider this angle. See what is the measure of this angle? This is start rotating from OA. After one complete rotation, further 30 degree, that is 360 plus 30, that is 390 degree. Now see for the angle of 390 degree. Compare this angle with these two angles. If we compare this angle of 390 degree and 30 degree, both the angles have initial and terminal arms same. If you compare these two angles, then in these two cases also initial and terminal arm is same. And if you compare all these three, then all these three angles have initial and terminal arms same. Means if coterminal angles come together, they may be 2, 3, 4. Okay, or many. If their initial and terminal arms are same, then all these angles are coterminal angles. Okay, but if the measure of angles is more than 1000 degree etc., then we have to take so many rotations to represent that angle in a plane coordinate system. And in each and every case, it is not convenient to every time draw a diagram or figure. Then what is the trick or what is the formula that should be showing that the angles are coterminal or not? Now, if two or more angles are coterminal angles, then you take the difference of that two angles. If the difference is multiple of 360 degree, then angles are coterminal. See again, if the two directed angles are coterminal angles, then difference between measure of these two directed angles is always integral multiple of 360 degree. You note down that difference of angles is integral multiple of 360 degree. Then angles are coterminal angles. If difference of two angles is integral multiple of 360 degree, then angles are coterminal angles. See here for the first example, take this pair 30 degree and minus 330 degree. From the figure it is clear that the angles are coterminal. But if we don't draw the figure, then from the only these values you can verify that angles are coterminal or not. Therefore take the difference. If I take the difference, then what is this? This is 30 plus 330, that is 360 60 degree. And see, this is 1 times 360 degree. That is integral multiple of 360. Then take the next example. We will verify for the next example. Take the pair 30 degree and 390 degree. Then again take the difference 390 minus 30. Again this is 360. That is 1 times 360 integral multiple of 360. Therefore angles are coterminal. Then we will take the difference between these two angles. See here, take the angles minus 330 and 390 degree. Again you take the difference 390 minus 330 degree. Then what will be this? Minus of minus, that is 390 plus 330, and this is 720, and this is 2 times 360 degree. Again we got difference integral multiple of 360 degree. You take any pair of these two angles, or pair of these two angles, or pair of first and third angle. You take any difference of two angles, then you see that it is always integral multiple of 360 degree, means 1 times 360 degree, 2 times 360 degree, 3 times 360 degree, and like that. Okay. In this way, without drawing figure, from this trick or from this formula, you can verify that angles are coterminal or not. Then it is clear to you what is meant by coterminal angles. The directed angles of different measure of rotation but having the same initial and terminal arms are coterminal angles. And see that the difference of two directed angles is integral multiple of 360 degree, then that angles are coterminal angles. Okay, we will see more examples. Verify that following angles are coterminal or not. And angles are given 210 degree and minus 150 degree. We have to check that these pair of angles are coterminal or not. Take the difference 210 minus of minus 150, and if I take this, then this will be 210 plus 150, that is 360 degree. Again see that this is 1 times 360 degree. Again we got here angle multiple of 360 degree. Therefore given angles are coterminal. Write down therefore angles are coterminal. Let's see the next example. Here pair is given 180 degree and 540 degree. You take again the difference 540 minus of minus 180 degree, then this will be 540 plus 180 degree, and after addition this will be 720. And see that this is 2 times 360 degree. Again we got the angles integral multiple of 360. Therefore angles are coterminal. Okay. Then see the next example. Here pair is given 860 degree and 580 degree. Take the difference and check whether the angles are coterminal or not. If I take the difference and this comes out to be 280 degree. And clearly it is not integral multiple of 360. Not integral multiple of 360 degree. Therefore, angles are not coterminal. See the next example. See here, we will take the next example. Here, pair of minus 405 degree and 675 degree is given. We will take the difference and check where the angles are coterminals or not. After taking difference, this will be 675 plus 405, and this will be 1080 degree, and this is 3 times multiple of 360 degree, and again angles are coterminal angles. In this way, if any value is given, value of directed angle should be any, you take the difference of that pair of angles, and if that difference is integral multiple of 360, then angles are coterminals. It may be 1 times integral multiple of 360, 2 times, 3 times, or more than that. But if the difference is not multiple of 360 degree, then angles are not coterminal. And here see that in very few examples difference is more than 3 times, 4 times, etc. You remember this: 1 time 360 degree is always 360 degree. Then 2 times 360 is 720, and 3 times 360 is 1080 degree. You remember these multiples which are frequently asked in the exam. These are multiples of 360 degree: 1 times, 2 times, and 3 times. Always difference comes like this. Frequently comes the difference like this: 360, 720, 1080, like that. In very few examples it is more than 1000. Okay. Then in this way, in today's lecture, we have seen what is mean by coterminal angles. Again revise that if the directed angles of different amount of rotation have the same position of initial and terminal rays, then angles are coterminal. And remember that if we take the difference of two angles, then if that difference is integral multiple of 360 degree, then angles are coterminal angles. Means difference of coterminal angles is always integral multiple of 360 degree. Okay students, is it clear to you what is mean by coterminal angles? Okay, see you in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye.